Donald Trump's higher tariffs on imports from dozens of countries have now come into effect. The US Customs and Border Protection Agency has begun collecting the levy of up to 50% on products entering the nation. Brazilian goods are now taxed at the highest rate, followed by Switzerland at 39%, Canada at 35% and India at 25%. But Delhi's figure is expected to double in the coming weeks because it buys Russian oil. The increase takes the average US tariff rate closer to 20%, the highest since the Great Depression. Brazil and India are hoping to secure a better trade deal, but are vowing not to kowtow to the US administration. Swiss President Karin Keller-Sutter has failed to score a reduction in her country's tariff rate after a day of talks in Washington. She says Switzerland will continue the negotiations for an improved arrangement, but not at any cost.
We have already had other, more difficult situations, and now we just have to work. And in some cases, we have emerged stronger from such situations. Sometimes it takes a little external pressure to get things moving internally.
8 major trading partners have so far reached framework trade agreements with the US, including Japan, the UK and the European Union. For now, Australian goods remain unchanged. Imports are slugged at the base rate of 10%. But the federal government says it's concerned at Mr Trump's threat to raise duties on pharmaceuticals to 250%.
That's obviously an issue, particularly for Melbourne, which is where most of our pharmaceutical exports to the US come from, particularly blood and plasma products. To the extent that this is motivated by big pharma companies seeking to lobby the US administration to water down the protections of our PBS, it's simply not up for negotiation under our government.